15. Ngayon lang nila nalaman. First of all, I want to thank God for this very wonderful moment of our lives. I believe that this is God's appointed time for us to start the so-called forever. Naalala ko pa nung una tayo nagkakilala in our workplace din, that was a long time ago. When I first saw you, wala naman akong naramdaman agad eh. I noticed that medyo masungit ka lang. Pero hindi naman wagas. Since then, I was able to witness how the way you behave and the way you treat others. But the most interesting one was when I learned about how you love and care for your family and for your fear about God. Isa kasi sa mga bili ng nanay namin sa akin noon, nung nabubuhay pa siya, when it comes to looking for a lifetime partner, humanap kami ng taong may pagmamahal, pagmamalasakit sa kanilang mga magulang at higit sa lahat, may takot kay God. Okay lang daw na walang takot sa akin, basta kay God meron. That was the turning point for me to start praying to God if you're indeed the one suitable for me. Today is answer to my prayer. Thank you so much for your love and great patience to wait for this very wonderful moment. I can proudly say now, goodbye to my American dream and hello to my sweetest dream. I promise to love and care for you as long as I live. May our loving God bless all our promises to each other. I love you, my baby.
I love you more than anything. You're my friend, my partner, but not partner in crime. Kasi alam ko ayaw mo. And my shock absorber, especially that I overreact to so many things, lalo na sa trabaho o kahit saan na o ano lang yung nakita. Our relationship has never been so easy. There are times talaga na napagod na ako, but God, nag-pray ako kay God na He always sees, He sends peace in my heart and reminds me that His plans for me and for us na siguro nga tayo at eto na tayo ngayon.
No. No.
Thank you for not trying to change me. Kasi alam mo naman, medyo stubborn ako.
Gusto nga.
And
Pasaluhin mo siya.
I promise to always be there through good and bad. Support you, encourage you, tell you what you really alam ko madami ka. Yung sobrang dami na tayo mga share sa akin. I vow to be with you in sickness and in health, lalo na at our age na tayo, syempre. Listen to your stories, marami pa akong maririnig, and struggles, syempre. I promise to love you with faithfulness, gentleness, and humility. With submission to your decision. Thank God for this opportunity to get married. I love you, my baby.
Ngayon naman, atin pong dedicate ang mga Sing-Sing